Good morning. Hello. Welcome to your grammar class. Okay, good morning. Okay, hello, Cesar, Fernando Marinero. Okay. Nicole, hello, good morning. Welcome to your grammar class. Okay, we are starting new week, yes? Excellent. Okay, let's see. How was your weekend? Good, excellent. Okay, did you rest? A lot, I think. Okay, let's see. Excellent. Thank you very much. We'll start in some minutes, yes? Okay. Welcome to your grammar class. Valentina Navas, Fernando Marinero, Betsabe, Diego de León, Avi, good morning. Good morning, Aaron. Excellent. Okay, let's start. First one, okay, I give you some riddles, yes? And you guess. What is the object, okay? According to the clues. Okay, let me see. For example, I am full of holes. I can hold water. What am I? Okay, what do you think? I am full of holes. I can hold water. What am I? What do you think? A glass? No. Okay, because a glass is only one hole. Okay, has only one hole. But this one says, I am full of holes. Okay, Fernando Marinero says that it's a sponge. Yes. Aaron Rosales, yes, this one is a sponge. Good job. Let's see, next one. Okay, what has many keys but can't open any door? What has many keys but can't open any doors? What do you think is the subject? Okay, what has many keys but can't open any doors? This one is a musical instrument. This one is a second clue, yeah? Okay, let's see. What has many keys but can't open any doors? What do you think is the subject? Let's see. Okay, this one is a musical instrument. No, it's not a key. Okay, so what has many keys but can't open any doors? Yes, this one is a piano. Thank you, Diego de León. Okay, good job. Let's see. What has two hands and a face, but no arms and legs? What has two hands and a face, but no arms and legs? Okay, what is the subject? Okay, I repeat. What has two hands and a face, but no arms and legs? Emoji, no. This is not an emoji. Okay, two hands and a face. Okay, this one is a clock. Exactly, Diego. Yes, this one is a clock. Good job. Okay, so let's see. Let me check. I share my screen and I give you the presentation. Okay, and let's start with the topic. Okay, so let's see. This one is grammar, our first class of the week. Today is Monday, February 8th. Now remember, we are the different with Jesus. Okay, I projected. Okay, excellent. So let's see. Today we talk about subject and also predicate. Okay, so let me see. And we have two differences. Difference between subject and predicate. Okay, for example, the subject, who or whom. That's me, people, okay, or maybe animals. And the predicate, okay, the action done, okay, that's mean the action that we develop, yes? Okay, so we talk about today subject versus predicate. Okay, and you know that sentence, okay, or sentences have two parts. What are they? The subject and the predicate. These one are the most important part in a sentence. The subject could be a noun, could be a pronoun, yes? Okay, and the predicate, this one is a verb, exactly. That's mean an action verb. Okay, we use an state of being verb, etc. And the subject is the who or what the sentence is about. And the predicate tells what the subject does. Okay, what are you doing right now? So please open your notebook, write the date, and you copy this one. And you write as a topic, subject, and predicate, please. Okay, open your notebook, your grammar notebook. Okay, you write the date. Today is Monday, February 8th, 2024. You write, we are the different with Jesus, and then you write the topic that is, okay, subject versus predicate, please. Okay, so let's see, I give you 2 minutes for writing this part, and then you start copying this one, okay? Sentences have 2 parts, okay? The first one is subject, then predicate. Subject you use as a noun or a pronoun, and predicate is a verb. That's mean an action, okay? The subject is the who or what the sentence is about. And the predicate tells what the subject does. Okay, please copy this one on your notebook. Remember with cursive letters, so you practice your Rebecca letter, your Rebecca script. And then, okay, when you finish, please thumbs up, raise your hands, or maybe write in the chat, Miss, I'm finished, please. Okay, let's see. I give you some minutes for copying this part. Yes, and then we start with the explanation, and also then we develop the exercises. Okay, thank you very much. Excellent. Okay. So let me see. Yes, please, write the date. Remember, when we write on our notebook, we write the date. Okay, Monday, February 8th, 2024. We are the different with Jesus, and the topic is subject versus predicate. Please. Okay, subject versus predicate. Okay, and then you copy this part that you have on the screen, okay, that are projected on the screen. Sentences have 2 parts. Okay, subject is noun or pronoun. Then you have the predicate, that is a verb. And then you have the subject is the who or what the sentence is about. And the predicate tells what the subject does. Okay, you have exactly 3 minutes for copying this part. Counting right now, please. Okay. Excellent. Remember, you write with blue or black ink. Okay. You use red ink only in titles or topics. Okay. So let's see. When you finish, please tell me. Miss, I'm finished. Excellent. Okay. Let me see. Let's continue. Okay, please copy this part. Sentences have 2 parts, subject and predicate. You know that the subject is a noun or a pronoun. For example, if I say cat, dog, he, she, all of these one are nouns or pronouns. And the predicate is a verb. That's mean actions. Okay, run, eat, tells, okay, dream, etc. All of this one. And the subject is the who or what the sentence is about. And the predicate tells what the subject does. Okay, that's mean the action that the subject developed. Yes? Okay, excellent. So let's see. Let's check, you finish? Yes or no? Okay, 1 minute. Fernando Marinero. Yes, okay, excellent. Thank you very much for telling me. Okay, who else? Let me check. Okay, good job. Excellent. Okay, sentences have 2 parts, subject and predicate, noun or pronoun. And the predicate, the verb. Okay, let's see. We have exactly 1 minute and then we continue with the class. Okay, remember, we need to understand this one, okay, because in grammar, we study every part of a sentence, yes? And we need to understand what is a sentence, what are the part of a sentence, okay, the part of a speech that we have already studied, because when we start with our book, okay, we study every part and every detail of these topics. Okay, excellent job. So let's see. Now we continue. Okay, let me check. Write in the chat if you finish, please. Okay, Abby, you finished. Excellent. Thank you very much. Excellent. Okay, good job. Let's see. Okay, now we continue. So we have some examples here. For example, the big green frog. Okay, this one is the subject. Jumped across the log. Okay, so this one is the predicate. So we have two parts. Yes, the big green frog. Jump across the log. Okay, then we have the second example. Let me see, Fernando Marinero, help me please and read the second sentence. Okay, you need to check your sound, yes? Okay, thank you. Diego de Leon, help me please. The second sentence.
My sweet grandmother wore a blue dress.
Okay, excellent. My sweet grandmother wore a blue dress. Okay, in that case, the subject is my sweet grandmother. Okay, and the predicate wore a blue dress. Okay, in that case, the verb is in past, yes? Okay, excellent. Let's check. Let me see. Okay, Jimena Relajeño, read the last sentence, please, or the last example.
Flew over the wine.
Okay, excellent. The old shark flew over in the wine. Let's see. Excellent. Good job. Let me check. Okay, in some sentences, okay, you know that we have two parts, but we have complete subject and also complete predicate. What are these one? Okay, all the words in the subject make up the complete subject. Okay, that's mean not only the noun, not only the pronoun. Yes, that's mean all the subject that you can find in this part. And all the words in the predicate make up the complete predicate. For example, in that case, green sneakers. Okay, you know that sneakers is a noun, but in this case, green is also part of the subject. For that reason, we call complete subjects. And the complete predicate are on sale. Okay, that's mean all the words, okay, that are part of the predicate make the complete predicate. Yeah, not only the verb in that case, that's mean not only the action. Okay, so we say green sneakers are on sale. Yes. Okay, then we have who. In that case, this one is a complete subject, but we only have one word. Okay, who. Yeah, but this part of the subject. So for that reason, this one is complete. The complete predicate wants a pair. Who wants a pair? Okay, in that case, the three words that we have in the predicate make the complete predicate. Then we have my friend does. Okay, my friend is the subject and does is the complete predicate. Everyone in a school. Okay, in that part, we have three words and these three words make the complete subject. Is wearing bright shoes. Okay, is wearing. You know that this one is the verb. Okay, but bright shoes is part of the predicate. For that reason, this one is the complete predicate. Okay, excellent. Let's continue. What is subject-verb agreement? Okay, in that part, this one is important, okay? And you need to pay attention to this one. Subject-verb agreement means your subject and your verb must match, okay, or agree in number. That's mean if the subject is in singular, okay, the verb needs to be in singular. If the subject is in plural, that's mean the verb needs to be in plural, okay? And we have here some examples. If you have a singular subject, then you must use a singular verb. For example, that dog, okay? We talk about only one, barks, okay? You know that in a singular part, okay, the singular verb in third person, you add the letter S. Okay, the dog barks at every sound he hears, okay? So let's see, the dog, we talk about only one, barks, okay, this one is in third person, so, okay, we do the agreement. Next example, if you have a plural subject, then you must use a plural verb. The dog bark, okay, in that case, dogs, okay, we talk about plural. Bark, we don't add the letter S because the verb in plural, you don't need to add the S at every sound they hear. Okay, this one is the agreement in a subject and also in a verb. Yes, that's mean, okay, you must match, okay, in agreement or maybe in number. Yes. Okay, let's see. Sentence fragment. A sentence fragment is a part of a sentence that is written as if it were a complete sentence. Okay, so this one is a fragment. That's mean a part of a sentence, not the complete sentence. A sentence fragment is missing a subject, a predicate, or both. Okay, that's mean a fragment could has, okay, the subject, but not the predicate, or maybe the predicate, but not the subject. Yes. For example, okay, the wrongest people in Malaysia, okay, we're missing a predicate. That's mean the verb, an action. For that reason, this one is a fragment of a sentence. Build traditional homes called longhouses. Okay, missing a subject. That's mean this one is a fragment of a sentence. On top, okay, of seals away from flood waters. Okay, missing both. That's mean the subject and the predicate. For that reason, this one is a fragment. Okay, let's see. Now we practice. Okay, you tell me if the sentence that are presenting, this one is fragment or maybe a sentence. Okay, let's see. Valentina Navas, read number 1 and you tell me if this one is a sentence or is a fragment. Yes? Okay.
La tengo que leer primero.
Yes, you read.
The audience moved by his dramatic performance.
Okay. Sentence or
Is
fragment?
Sentence.
Okay. Yes, excellent. Okay, so let's see. Check this one. The audience moved by his dramatic performance. Okay, the audience. You have the subject? Yes. Move, you have a verb? Yes. For that reason, this one is a sentence. Okay, it's not a fragment because has the two parts. Exactly. Next one. Let me see. Number 2. Okay, Diego de León.
Miss Linares, the director of this classic tragedy,
Okay. Sentence or fragment?
that it's a fragment.
Okay. Let's check if this one is a fragment. Yes, this one is a fragment. Thank you very much. Okay. So Mrs. Linares, okay, the director of his classic tragedy. Okay, we don't have a predicate, yeah? For that reason, this one is a is a fragment. Okay, let's see. Next one, Cesar. Let me check. Okay. Fernando Marinero, please, number 3. Okay, read it and then you tell me if this one is a sentence or a subject. Or a fragment, sorry. Okay. Can you activate your sound, Fernando? Okay, thank you. Gabriel, help me please with number 3. Okay, right now, it's possible?
Yes,
Okay,
near the end of the first act. It
okay,
is a fragment.
okay, thank you. It's a fragment. Yes, this one is a fragment because we don't have, okay, a subject and also predicate. Yes, okay, let's see, number 4. Let me check. Let's see. Okay, Aaron Rosales, please help me with number 4. Okay, is possible, Aaron? Okay, let me see. Let's check this part. Diego de León, number 4.
Number 4 was playing the part of Lady Macbeth.
Okay. What do you think?
It is, I think that it's a fragment because doesn't have subject.
Exactly, okay. Thank you very much. We don't have a subject, so this one is a fragment. Yes. Excellent. Okay, let's see. Milena, please, number 5.
Um, Walking, how I say that word?
Okay,
Aimlessly?
aimlessly, yes.
Right, aimlessly about and rubbing her hands. I think it's a sentence.
Okay, let's see. This one is a sentence or is a fragment? Oops, I'm sorry. Okay, this one is a fragment. Why? Because was aimlessly about and rubbing her hands. You have subject? No. Okay, so this one is a fragment. And number 6, at the final curtain came a loud burst of applause. This one is sentence. Okay, so let's see. Because we have the subject and also we have the predicate. Let's see. Abby, number 7. Okay, Abby.
Thank you, Miss. The actor staying in the character during 5 curtains calls.
Okay.
Uh, there is a sentence.
Okay, you have subject? Yes, okay, the actor is staying in character, okay. During 5 curtains call, you have a predicate? We don't have a predicate. For that reason, this one is a fragment, exactly, because we don't have a verb. Okay, staying, in that case, this one is not a verb. This one is a noun, yes. For that reason, we have a fragment. Okay, number 8, the most successful performance of the season. Rebecca Soto, please.
¿Cuál era, Miss?
Number 8.
The
Okay,
most
sentence.
the most successful performance of the season.
What do you think? Is this a fragment or is this a sentence?
Is a sentence.
Okay, let me check. The most successful performance of the seasons. We only have the subject, but we don't have the predicate. For that reason is a fragment. Okay, thank you very much, Rebecca. Let's see. Next one. Okay, let's check. Betsabe Palacios, please. Number 9. Tell me, what is the director planning next? Okay, this one is a sentence or a fragment? Number 9. Sentence or fragment? What do you think? Sentence or fragment? Okay, let's check. Diego de León. Number 9, please.
Number 9. What is the director? What is the director planning next? I think that it is a sentence.
Okay, let's check. Yes, this one is a sentence. Okay, and the last one. In the spring, she will direct the well-known musical website Storm. Okay, let me check. This one is, in that case, this one is a sentence. Okay, let's see. Next exercise. We have a series of sentences here. Okay, so you tell me what is the subject and what is the predicate. Okay, Abby, sentence number 1. Only mention, don't read the sentence. Only mention what is the subject in the first sentence. Only the subject. The blue-gray ocean lap at the rocks below.
Blue gray ocean.
Okay, excellent. The blue-gray ocean. This one is a complete subject. Excellent. Rebecca Soto, what is the predicate in sentence number 1?
Miss no vio la presentación, no me sale.
Ah, okay. Let me check.
Ahora sí.
Ah, okay.
Eh,
What is the predicate in the second sentence? Abby says that the subject is the blue-gray ocean. Okay, what is the predicate?
at the rocks below.
Okay, let's see. This one include the verbs. That means lap at the rocks below. Yeah, this one is the predicate. Excellent. Let's see. Okay, next sentence. Let me see. Okay, you only give me the subject, please. Natalia Torres, second sentence. A gentle breeze ripped the surface of the water. Only give me the subject in the second sentence.
Breathe.
Okay, let's see. Breeze. Let me check. Okay, a gentle breeze. Remember, we talk about complete subject. Okay, so include all the words. A gentle breeze. Okay, Michelle Arana, what is the predicate in the second sentence? Okay. Maybe. Okay, right now, yes, I hear you. Okay, rip the surface of the water. Yes? Okay, excellent. This one is the predicate. Remember, the predicate, okay, begins with a verb and ends until the period or until the punctuation. Excellent. Okay, Genesis also in the third sentence. What is the subject?
I think the subject is the last race.
Yes, exactly. The last race. This one is the subject. Good job. Okay, let's see. Lucas Carvajal, what is the predicate in third sentence?
Began in the early afternoon.
Okay, excellent. Began in the early afternoon. Good job. Okay, Gabriel, what is the subject in fourth sentence?
I don't know.
Okay, so let's see. In that case, 14-foot sailboats. Yeah, this one is the subject. Include the noun and also the complement, 14-foot sailboats. Let's see, Ari Rosales, what is the predicate in sentence number 4? Can you activate your sound? Is possible? Okay, I help you. Okay, sail around an orange marker. This one is the predicate. Yes? Okay, excellent. Let's see. Next sentence, sentence number 5. Okay, Genesis Luna. What is the subject in sentence number 5? Okay, let me check. Genesis, what are you? Okay, Diego,
A
please help
sudden
me.
gust.
Ah, okay.
A sudden,
Okay, Genesis, you can do it right now. Can you activate your sound? Is possible? Ok, solo una vez. Okay, thank you, Genesis. Let me check. Diego, please. Subject in sentence number 5.
The subject is a sudden gust of wind.
Okay, excellent. And the predicate?
Topple one
Yes,
of the boats.
exactly. Okay, thank you very much. Let's see. Aaron Rosales, next one. Next sentence. Subject?
Both sailors
Excellent. And the predicate?
fell into the ocean.
Excellent. Good job. Let's see. Jimenez Relejeño. Next one. Subject and predicate.
Water is the subject and fill the boat is the predicate.
Excellent. Okay, water is the subject and fill the boat. The predicate. Good job. Let's see. Let me check. Okay, next one. Okay, Nicole. Next sentence. Okay, what is the subject? We have the crew members climb onto the center board. What is the subject in that? Okay, Diego, help me. So you participate a lot today. Excellent.
Yeah. Fill the predicate is fill the boat.
Okay, and in next sentence, subject.
The subject is the crew members,
Mhm. And the
and the
predicate.
predicate is climbed onto the setting board.
Excellent. Okay, thank you very much. Valentina Navas, the last one. Okay, the subject.
The subject is a nervy,
But it's
and
missing
the
two words.
predicate is motor. The subject is a nervy motorboat,
Yes.
and the predicate is recruit the crew.
Yes, excellent. Okay, if you notice, thank you very much for participating. Okay, if you notice, okay, we have complete subject and also complete predicate. Yes? Okay, for example, the noun in the first sentence is ocean. But if we talk about the complete subject, we say the blue-gray ocean. Yes? Okay. And the verb, that's mean the action in the first sentence is lap. But if we talk about complete predicate, we say lap at the rocks below. Okay, the majority of the sentence, okay, has complete subject and complete predicate. For example, okay, number, let's see, 7. Water filled the boat. In that case, we only have a noun, okay, water. This one is the only subject. Fill the boat. This one is the predicate. Okay, remember, when we talk about the two part of a sentence, subject and predicate, okay, then we talk about complete subject and complete predicate. And this one are all the words that include every part. Yes? Okay, excellent, good job. I have some question for you. Yes? Okay, let me check. Let's see, what are the two part of a sentence? Let's see. The first one that answer, okay, has a point. Okay, let's see. Subject and predicate. Diego, Jimena, subject and predicate. Good job. Aaron, subject and predicate. Excellent. Okay, we have two part of a sentence. Subject, predicate. Okay. The subject, tell us what, okay, or what is the function of a subject? Let me see. Okay, Jimena Relajeño says, is the who, exactly. Okay, and the predicate tell us what? Or what is the function of a predicate? Okay, you can say only one word. Okay, tells what the subject does, exactly. That's mean the action. Excellent, good job, Jimena, good job, Aaron, good job, Diego. Excellent. Okay, let's see. And, okay, if a subject include a noun in all the words, okay, how we call this one? We have a specific noun or pronoun, okay, but we have different words. Okay, this one is the complete subject. Excellent. If we have the action or the verb, but include all the words, that's mean the complement, we call this one complete predicate. Exactly, complete predicate. Excellent job. Okay, excellent. You pay attention and you participate a lot today. Let's see. Nice. Okay. Do you remember that this one we study in from first grade to sixth grade? Yes. Okay. We studied the part of a sentence, how we can divide. Okay. For example, you underline one time the subject. Okay. And you underline two times the predicate or the verb. Yes. You remember this one? We practice this one in language. Yes. Okay. Excellent. Yes. Excellent job. Okay. Let me see. Now, I give you a noun and a verb, and you give me a sentence, okay? Let's check. Cat lip. Okay, you give me a sentence. Cat lip. Okay. Diego, give me a sentence with these two words. Cat and lip.
Live de vivir.
No, lip. L-I-P,
No.
lip. Do you know what is the meaning of this one? Lip.
No. No.
Okay. Okay, I changed the verb. Cat eat. Cat eat. Give me a sentence. You were in the chat or maybe you give me an example in other way. The cat eat his food. Okay. The cat eat his food. What is missing here? The cat eats. Okay, remember you do the agreement of a subject and also the verb. If you talk about a singular subject, the verb needs to be in singular. The cat eats his food. Okay, excellent. Let's see. Next one. Okay, I give you another example. Okay, tree, climb. Tree, climb. Give me an example of the sentence. Okay, Abby, tree, climb. Let me check, Abby, where are you? Okay, here. Tree, climb.
Or climb.
Yes.
Eh, eh, I climb at the tree. The tree,
Oh.
sorry. I
Okay.
climb tree.
Okay. I climb a tree. Yes, excellent. Okay, good job. I climb a tree. Yes, okay. What are we doing this exercise? Because you need to do the agreement between the subject and the verb. Okay, remember, if you talk about plural, okay, the verb is in plural. For example, they, okay, run every day. But if you say she, you don't say run, she runs. She runs, okay, every day. Okay, this one is important when you talk. Okay, you need to pronounce, okay, the letter S at the end of the verb to talk about third person. Yes, okay, this one is important for you. Excellent, okay, thank you very much. Okay, I don't know if you have some question about this topic, about subject and predicate. No? Okay, that's mean this one is an easy topic, yes? And you understand better. Yes, exactly. Okay, you don't send the evidence, okay, of the class. Yeah, the thing that we copied today. No, you don't send, okay? You don't send to me. Okay, until Wednesday that we develop the weekly evidence. Yes? Okay, thank you. Excellent very much for participating. Excellent. Okay, thank you so much for participating a lot. See you on Wednesday because on Wednesday we have 2 classes. Yes? Okay. Thank you. If you have some doubts, you can write me or send a text message. Okay, bye-bye, Michelle. Have a nice day. You too, okay? God bless you a lot. See you on Wednesday. Bye, Natalia.
Bye, Miss.
Bye. Have a nice day. God bless you a lot. Thank you for your participation. Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye.